Today we're going to be showing you how to create a custom link. This is a page on your website that pulls any homes within whatever criteria that you want to put in for. So for an example, this page that we're looking at is Newport Beach single family homes. So let's go ahead and show you how to create one of these pages. First, when we're in our IDX, let's go ahead and click on the custom links over on the left navigation. And then let's click on the button that says Create New Custom Link. Once we're in here, the first thing that we're going to want to do is create a name. So this will be the search that you're doing. So for this, I'm going to put in Woodland Hills. We'll just do a simple Woodland Hills single family home custom link here. Now you can put in your different bedrooms, bathrooms. You can select a region. You can select cities. You can even draw on this map down here. Further down, you'll have access to put in street addresses, zip codes, tract codes, MLS numbers. So there's a lot of criteria that we can put in here. Under that, we have the section for price range, minimum, maximum, property type, also very important. So you can pick the property type that you want to show. And then, of course, whether they have a pool. The more important aspects of this are we can also select our listing types. So you can have things like active, short sales, and foreclosures. You can also create these to show sold homes and new listings. So you can have these pages that are up to date with that. So once you have the criteria you want, go ahead and press the Save button, and then you'll see that page created on the top here. Now from here we have a couple different options. So we can edit the information with the pencil right there, or we can add content. When we add content, this allows you to add a little bit of text to the top, or the second box is to the bottom of the results on that particular page. So if you wanted to write a little copy on that page, you can. Now one other thing that I wanted to show you is you can view the link. So you can see the page that you created, and then more importantly, if we go back to the IDX and then we go under settings, and then we have SEO settings, this allows us to see all the pages that we've created, and we can optimize those pages that we create. So down here at the bottom you'll see the Woodland Hills page. We can click on this button here in the middle, and this brings up a pop-up where we can adjust our page title, our page description, and our keywords. And you'll want to do this for any custom link that you create. So I'm going to put in here Woodland Hills homes for sale, and then here you can put in a description, and then we press update, and there you go. That is how you create a custom link. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.